Okay, now we are going to learn using basic formulas in MS Excel. In introduction section already we have discussed about basic formulas. So how we can use the basic formula in a Excel sheet, and we can solve the values using the basic formulas, right? So basic formulas involve only one operator in a formula, right? If we want to use a formula, so in the basic formulas option, use or involve only one operator in a formula. So how we can use a basic formula in Excel? We'll do the practical. Suppose that we are going to solve one monthly reports. Suppose the incentive percentage and there is a charity amount. So now we are going to do some data here, like a month's sales, expenses, incentives amounts, and actual expenses. Okay, so using the basic formulas we can solve. So suppose that we are going to type here the name of the month. Suppose that there is a January and Feb, March, April, May, June. These are the months, and suppose that in month of Jan the sales is 1000, and the Feb sales 2000, March 15,000, April 3000, and May 1900, and then June for that 2000. So these are sales, and every month there is a sales. There are different sales. January got the sales 1000 sales, February 2000 sales, March 15,000 sales, April 3000, then May 1900, and then June 2000. So how we'll use the basic formula? We are going to calculate the total of these sales using the basic formula option. So what we'll do, we'll click on the cell where you want to calculate the total of the cells. So suppose that we want to calculate the total here, so we'll click on this cell, yani that means a B11, and then we use a equal sign. After that, click on the cell B4. Click on the cell B4, that means V column and 4 row, that means this one. Okay, and we can see its address will appear in the B11, right, in that place, and then type the plus sign. Okay, and same process we can repeat until B9, right? Suppose that the next is a B5, so we can use B5. Again we can press here enter key, then B6 we press enter key, B7 press enter key, B8 press enter key, and B9. Okay, and all the details we can see in the B cell B11. There is a B9, and at last press the enter key. So okay, so that means firstly we need to type the all the cell address. Okay, after the equal sign, starting we have started from this cells of Jan B4, then plus B5 plus B6 plus B7 plus B8 plus B9. Okay, that means we have used here all 6 month cell address cells, right, address, and then at last we press the enter key. Okay, so now we can see we got the total of the sales. Okay, and the B cell B11 will display the total of all the values from the B4 to B9, right? So this is our total cells of the 6 month, right? And this is a B11 cell and it display the total of the all cells values. If we click on the cell formula, so we can formula bar, so we can see the all the cell address selected, that means the all the value has calculated, right? So the using the basic formulas operation we can perform any types of calculation. So this is a process to use a basic formula in a Excel sheet.